How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Mark.
Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Where do you live?
I live in Phnom Penh.
How's your day?
It's good, thank you.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Mama.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, very much.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you like to spend time with your family?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big or small?
It is small.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help my mom cook.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. John.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I can write a little.
Do you like math?
No, it's difficult.
Do you go to school by bus?
No, I walk.
What time does school start?
It starts at 7:30.
Do you do homework?
Yes, every day.